Today, this video, we are going to explain regression equations. Suppose x and y are two variables given, तो यहाँ पे x एक हो सकता है इक्वेशन इस तरह का फॉर्मेट में y इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ x और x इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ y, करेक्ट। ये दोनों लीनियर फॉर्म हो सकते हैं। इन दैट केस क्या होगा, y होगा डिपेंडेंट, x होगा इंडिपेंडेंट, करेक्ट। x होगा इंडिपेंडेंट and y होगा डिपेंडेंट। And for this equation, y is independent, x is dependent, so two types of equations are there। इसको linear form लाने के लिए दो टाइप का इक्वेशन होता है। इनमें से when y is on the left hand side, this is known as y on x regression equation। y on x regression line, और जहाँ पे x लेफ्ट साइड में है इसको क्या बोलता है, ये वाला, दिस इज कॉल्ड x ऑन y regression equation or line, you can say। okay, अब फॉर्मूला सी y on x regression equation का फॉर्मेट, y on x regression equation is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar, and whenever this is x on y, that would be x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar। okay, these are called regression coefficients। This, what about this byx and bxy, these are called regression coefficients। x bar, you know, mean of x, and y bar summation y by n। okay, these are actually mean, these are actually mean of y, mean of x, correct। नाउ कोवेरिएंस का बी एक्स वाई बी वाई एक्स का फॉर्मूला देखो, डी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू कोवेरिएंस डिवाइडेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन ऑफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर, और यू कैन से स्मॉल r means coefficient of correlation divided by SDY divided by SDX। These are standard deviations। Similarly, BXY means covariance divided by SDY whole square। This is x on y, so above y, y is in denominator, y नीचे रहेगा, x on y, ये जस्ट याद रखने के लिए शॉर्टकट तरीका। नाउ r इक्वल टू x on y, x on y, and there is one relationship, you know, between regression coefficients and correlation coefficient, that small r equal to bxy into byx, where r must lie between -1 and 1, and one more thing, bxy byx and r, अगर ये पॉजिटिव तो ये भी पॉजिटिव होगा, ये नेगेटिव ये भी नेगेटिव होगा, लेकिन ये पॉजिटिव ये नेगेटिव या ये नेगेटिव ये पॉजिटिव ये अनडिफाइंड, इसमें correlation coefficient is undefined, so only in that case you can find. Okay, now how to find covariance, and covariance formula is dx formula, all this I will tell you. Now formula for covariance, number one formula, summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar by n, or summation of xy by n minus summation of x by n into summation of y by n, or summation of pq by n minus summation of p by n into summation of q by n, where p equal to x minus something and q equal to y minus something. Okay, so pq assume करने से ये फॉर्मूला, तो ये तीनों डिफरेंट फॉर्म में है, ये नंबर वन, ये नंबर टू, ये नंबर थ्री. Similarly, there will be formula for SDX and SDY. Okay, in that case, one more thing I would like to tell you. These are very much useful. Suppose somewhere you have x minus 15, summation of x minus 15, and it is given that I equal to 1 to 10. You need to find. So that you can say summation of x minus summation of 15, I equal to 1 to 10, I equal to 1 to 10 means serial number. This is just like, suppose x you have and then x minus 15. Suppose below x you have some values x1, x2, x3 like this, right, up to x10. Now if you do it over here, x1 minus 15, x2 minus 15, dot dot dot, x10 minus 15. Now if you try to find its summation, then what would happen? Adding all these you will get summation of x, correct? Minus adding all this you will get summation of 15, am I right? And this is summation of x, whatever be over here you can write it here, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. और summation 15 क्या है? 1 2 3 4 up to 10 times है. So this will be 10 into 15, correct? So in the same way over here summation x तो जितना भी वैल्यू है वो बैठेगा, और ये 15 का जगह क्या हो जाएगा? 15 into 10. ये 10 मतलब क्या है? ये 10 मतलब ये वाला वैल्यू, ठीक है? बिकॉज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, समेशन ऑफ c i इक्वल टू 1 to n मीन्स क्या होता है? n डॉट c. ओके, तो ऐसा होता है. Now standard deviation of x equal to square root under x minus x bar whole square by n, और ये वाला और ये वाला, ये है नंबर वन के लिए, नंबर टू केस, नंबर थ्री. सिमिलरली एस डी ऑफ वाई मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट अंडर summation of y minus y bar whole square by n, और summation of y square by n minus summation of y by n whole square or summation of q square by n minus summation q by n whole square. ये भी केस 1, केस 2, केस 3 जब जैसा सुटेबल होगा as per question and given data. And remember one thing, variance means SD standard deviation whole square. This is standard deviation, right? Standard deviations means SD. Okay, now हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे एक क्वेश्चन. X bar 13, y bar is 25.8. सो ये डेसिमल नंबर है. सो एक काम करो, इसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए x इक्वल टू एज्यूम करो, यहाँ पे एज्यूम्ड मीन ले लेंगे. p इक्वल टू x माइनस ये सारा 13 ही ले लो क्योंकि इंटीजर तो है ही. अब यहाँ पे 25.8 लेने से कैलकुलेशन में दिक्कत होगा, इसलिए आप लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसका 26 ले लो, ये हो गया क्यू. ये क्यू निकालो, these are assumed means. Okay, 13 and 26, these are called assumed means. So p equal to x minus 13 and q equal to y minus 26. कुछ भी ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे, that doesn't affect the answer. So 15 minus 13, 11 minus 13 minus. Similarly, in that case, 25 minus 26 minus 1, 28 minus 26, 2, 24 minus 26 minus 2, 22 minus 26 minus 4, 30 minus 26, 4. Minus summation PQ cancelled minus 4 summation P square 10 summation Q square. Now positive point regression. Summation P is 0, summation Q is minus 1, and N means 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is N serial number. So now put values summation PQ minus 4 by 5 minus. ये पूरा 0 बन जाएगा. ये हो गया कोवेरियंस. dx square minus summation P d. कैलकुलेटर से किया, so 2.86. This is standard deviation of y. Now let's find bxy and byx and byx. Regression coefficient of x and y. Covariance by SDY whole square. Covariance formula value to whole square. Let's do it with calculator. .8 divided by 2.86 square. Now y bar, how much was y bar? Y bar was 25.8. byx minus 0.4. X bar was 13. Multiply. इस पे करने जाओ. So this will be your y on x equation. Now x on y regression equation. Now take 13 this side. So final answer आ गया So this way we can find two regression equations. So यहाँ पे mean marks in maths and mean marks in physics given है. Suppose maths is x and physics is y. So see, maths is given, that means see, math was this, that means x is given, y is question mark, right? Now y find करना है, y का value find करना है, that means y on x equation you need to find y on x. Okay, so let's get it. Y on x regression line will be y minus y1 y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar means see mean of this, that means this one is y bar, this one is x bar, this one is sdx, this one is sdy, and this one is small r, coefficient of correlation. Now put values. So that is 81. Byx means formula r into sdy by sdx. X minus x bar means 84. Sdy 4 by sdx. This is y on x regression equation. Now if you want to get y value, then put x equal to 92 in place of x. So answer would be 0.49 multiplied by 92 and then plus or y value is 85 approximately. So that is your answer. When 92, then it is 85. Okay. So this way, if this type of mean is the correlation coefficient given, then you have to use this formula. Okay. Byx equal to r into s dy by s dx, and then put x at the end. In the same way, you can find x on y also. X on y equation will be, you need not to do this equation, but still I am showing you. X on y equation formula is x minus x bar bxy into y minus y bar. X bar was given 84 in the table. Bxy formula small r into s dx by s dy, y minus y bar. So x minus 84, r means 0.86, s dx by s d4, (0.86) into 7 divided by 4. It's 1.505 into 81. Take 84 this side. That is x1y regression equation. So this way you can find regression lines. Two regressional lines are there, and you can follow my next videos on other types of sums in this chapter. Okay, thank you.